Is your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max screen suddenly got too dark or constantly changing brightness on its own? Well, let's go ahead and see the quickest fixes to bring your display back to normal. Now first, let's go ahead and check your host TV's picture settings. Just open the settings, and from here you can adjust the brightness and also the backlight based on the issue you are facing. You can also tweak some common and basic settings like contrast, tint, and other display settings if needed. And if nothing seems right, just go ahead and try resetting the picture settings on your TV. Now after that, let's move on to your Fire TV's own settings. So open the hamburger menu and go to settings, and then head over to display and sounds. And from there, let's open display settings. Now first, we'll recommend you to open resolution and set it to the highest resolution supported by your TV, or simply choose auto or 4K. Because sometimes a lower resolution can make the picture look grainy, blurry, or darker than normal. Now from here, let's go ahead and next go to the color depth. Now you can set it up to 12-bit for Dolby Vision support and more cinematic colors. Just make sure your TV actually supports Dolby Vision or a premium 4K display format. Now open color format after that. By default, it's usually set to auto, but you can also try both RGB and YCBs here to see which one looks better on your screen. Now lastly, let's go ahead and open dynamic range settings. If it's set to always HDR, your Fire TV Stick will force HDR even on non-HDR content, which can sometimes make the display look too dark or washed out. So, better just keep it on adaptive. And I hope your brightness issue is now solved on a Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Thanks for being with us.